Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a simple and delicious recipe that is perfect for busy days or when you are looking for a quick, flavorful dinner. It is waterless braised chicken. This is incredibly easy to make. All you need is a lot of scallions, shallots, and garlic cloves to braise the chicken for just 20 minutes without adding any water. The result is a juicy, tender chicken with a deep scallion flavor that is both healthy and incredibly satisfying. Trust me, this recipe is a game changer for busy weeknights. Let's get started. I'm using 4 chicken legs today. You may also use chicken thigh or chicken breasts. Here's 6 whole scallions, 1 jalapeno pepper. This is optional. I have 1 carrot left in the refrigerator, so I'm going to use it. It's optional if you don't like to add any vegetables. Now those are key ingredients for the dish. 4 shallots, garlic cloves, and small knot ginger. Cut scallions about 3 to 4 inches in length. I'll slice jalapeno pepper in same length as the scallions. Roughly cut carrot diagonally. You may cut shallots half and half or 4 equal parts. Then I'll slice ginger to thin slices. For this dish, you just need to smash the garlic to keep the garlic in whole piece. And also, it's easier to peel off the skin as well. I'll cut chicken legs in medium chunks, and I like to keep a bone in for this dish to bring more flavor. Of course, you may also just using boneless chicken thigh. Now that everything's ready, let's marinate chicken. Give it 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon Shaoxing cooking wine. I've linked all the Chinese spices in the description if you like to purchase accurate spices for the dish. 1 tablespoon 5 spices and 2 tablespoons freshly ground white pepper. 2 tablespoons black pepper and 1 tablespoon sea salt. Another 1 tablespoon sesame oil and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. And then we're going to combine all spices with the chicken very well. Massage them thoroughly and make sure spices and chicken well combined together. I used about 2 minutes to well combine and mix all spices with the meat together. And then lastly, I'll add 1 more tablespoon of sesame oil to seal the meat. Mix well together again, then cover up, let marinate for at least 30 minutes. I highly recommend using a braiser pan for this recipe. Make sure to bring your braiser pan to a hot temperature before lightly brushing about 2 tablespoons of oil evenly on the bottom of the pan. Then we'll add in garlic, ginger, shallots, white part of the scallions as well. Let it cook for a minute or 2 over medium heat. Bring out all aroma from herbs. Next, evenly spread out marinated chicken on top of all the herbs. By spreading out the marinated chicken on top of the scallions, shallots, and garlic cloves, the chicken can absorb all the aromatic flavors from these herbs during cooking. Lastly, we'll add in carrot and the green part of the scallions. Then we'll cover the lid on medium heat, cook for 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes is up, turn off the stove. Don't open the lid right away. Let it sit about additional 5 minutes before serve. The reason I highly recommend to use a braiser pan for the recipe is because to maximize the moisture retention and ensure even cooking. The tight fitting lid and heavy bottom of the braiser pan creates a perfect seal, allowing chicken to cook in its own juice and flavors. This will result in a moist, tender, and a flavorful dish. And there you have it! A mouth-watering waterless braised chicken that's bursting with flavor and requires minimal effort. This dish is perfect for those busy days when you want a quick and delicious meal without compromising on taste. The tender, juicy chicken infused with a rich scallion aroma. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. I guarantee it will become a staple in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!